This is Wen from Wen Group. It's 101 de Soto, one of the most beautiful homes in the neighborhood, bordering Millbrae and the most sunny side of San Bruno. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, updated kitchen, sunroom, swimming pool, everything you could dream of. Come on over and take a look. 好，欢迎和我一起参观这个装修精致的泳池别墅，毗邻 Millbrae， 地处半岛阳光带的101 de Soto Way. This charming move-in-ready single-story ranch-style home offers you the finest living with updated 3-bed, 2-bath, plus a family room and even a sunroom. Updated kitchen has shaker-style cabinets, stylish quartz countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances. Recessed ceiling lights and updated flooring, plantation shutters, luxury water features, stone-paved driveway, and attractive curb appeal with high-end drought-resistant turf in front. 前院花园精心打理，空间布局合理安排，厨房全新翻修，白色的现代化橱柜，灰色的石英台面，高端不锈钢电器，这些都是业主自主裝修精心挑選出嚟的。3間瞓房，2間精緻嘅洗手間，新地板，現代筒燈，成間屋都舒適實用。And then there's this beautiful sunroom, calm and sunny, where you can relax and enjoy the peaceful indoor and outdoor living. And enjoy this beautiful California sunshine and lounge by the artistically crafted spa and swim jet pool in the private backyard with waterfalls and vibrant lights. 后院全新加装阳光房，泳池、温泉、露台一应俱全，在自家後院就擁有像度假一般的體驗。行幾步路就到 San Bruno 城市公園，餐廳食飯都好近。Swimming pool and sunroom right next to you, and City Park is just walking distance. Welcome to our beautiful home in the open house in the weekend. 歡迎周末過來參觀我們的 open house，有咩問題隨時同我哋聯絡啦。